how to transfer Shopify store to another Shopify store. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have backed up everything inside your current Shopify store in order to be safe if something happens. To do that, you can just head over to your Shopify right here. And of course, inside you have your products, you have your collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and more. You then have your customers, you have content, analytics, marketing, and lastly, your online store. This is basically where you can edit the store interface. Now, just to be safe, the first thing that we want to do is to head over to the products right here. Now, this is a new Shopify store, so I have no products on my store right here. But as an example, let's go ahead and add a random product. Click on save. And right after that, the first thing that you want to do is to simply export all of the products inside your store. Now this will simply save all of the products that you have gathered or you have inventories on your Shopify store. To do that, it's as simple as clicking on the export button. And from here, you then want to click on the all products and you want to export it as CSV for Excel numbers or other spreadsheets or program. This will simply save all of our products in a single file where we can then go ahead and import it in another store. From here, you then have your collections that will also be included in the export so you have nothing to worry about. And right after, we then want to navigate through the online store or our theme section right here. Now inside, we are also going to basically do the same. Click on the three dots right beside customize. And from here, you then want to click on the download theme file. Click on the send email and it will simply send this email to the email registered to our Shopify store. And we will be able to simply download our theme file. So just click on the send mail. And you can then go ahead and get the theme file from that specific email. Now, unfortunately, when you're modifying or when you're transferring your Shopify store into another store manually, the applications that you have downloaded on your current store right here will not be transferred. So if you navigate through the applications and let's go ahead and say that you have installed the Shopify Forms, Klaviyo, George.me, InstaFeed, and more, getting them back up and running on another store is going to be a manual process. You have to navigate through apps, find the application that you want to install, and you have to install it manually. Now, right after exporting every file on your store, you just want to navigate through your own store or through your another store, and from there you can just click on the product section, click on export, and you want to click on the import button, and you simply want to import the file that we have exported earlier. But I'm going to show you an alternative method that makes everything easier, and that is by using an application on Shopify. So you just want to head over to the applications right here, click on the Shopify App Store, and once inside, you then want to search for migration. From here, this menu will now show up. You simply want to look for an application that is free, rated very high, and easy to use. Now I suggest using the Matrixify right here. So just click on it. And once inside, you then want to click on the install button. So you have your highlights, you have your pricing. This is simply free. So let's just click on the install button. We then have to authorize the installation through our Shopify store. So we just have to click on the install button once more. From here, this menu will now show up where you have to approve the documents like for terms and conditions, privacy notice, cookies policy, and the Matrixify support. So just click on the approve to proceed. And once inside, we will then be taken to this page. The first thing that you want to do is to click on the export button or new export. From here, you can then click on the new blank export. And you want to make sure that the format is going to be the Matrixify Excel. In here, click on the select sheet, and inside you want to make sure that you select all of your products. As you can see, we have our products, Smart Collection, Custom Collection, Customers Discounts, Draft Orders, Orders, and more. You also have your payouts, but you have to take notice, or you have to take note of these red columns right here. Now to fix this, you simply want to click them, and right after you then want to select the columns for the attention required button. So let's select the basic column, and for this one, let's select the menu items. If you're ready to export your Shopify store, you simply want to click on the export button, and it will now start the export process. From here, we simply want to head over to another Shopify account that we want to go ahead and import our Shopify to. In my case, I'm going to be opening up a browser or another browser right here. Let's head over to Shopify, and simply inside, I'll go ahead and log in the other Shopify store that I've been working on. And simply on the other Shopify store, you just want to simply do the same. Click on the Add Apps button, Shopify App Store, and from here, you then want to simply install the application again. So you have to type migration, look for the Matrixify application, and click on the install button. And so let's head back to the Shopify store right here, and let's go ahead and see if it has finished exporting. So here it is. Let's just click on the download exported file button. It will then download it as an Excel file. So let's just head over to the other Shopify store, click on the import button, and from here you then want to look for the file that we have downloaded. It will then start to import our file. It will analyze it, so just wait for it to finish, and simply once inside you can then see the products right here, the custom collections, and more. Let's click on the import button. Wait for the importing process to finish, and you will be able to simply import all of the Shopify store into another store right here. Now I'm having some problems, cannot continue with import because there's critical sheets error. You can just go ahead and look for the error right here, and you will be able to fix this easily. Sheet doesn't look to be the Maxlify format. You need to be at least following columns IV handle title. Now if this happened, you simply want to repeat the steps right here. So just click on the export again button, and you want to make sure to try another format like the CSV file or other, but you simply or mainly want to use these files right here. Now another way on how you can simply transfer your Shopify store into another account or Shopify store is by heading over to settings right here. Click on the users and permission, and simply once inside, you then want to click on the transfer ownership. Now by doing this, you will simply transfer the ownership, not the store itself, but it will go ahead and work the same. And so that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.